Okay guys, you asked me to show you CPA marketing for beginners method, and today I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to show you where you can find good CPA offers to promote. I'm going to show you how to do CPA marketing properly, and also I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic by using Facebook. And don't worry, we will not spam Facebook groups. We will actually make our Facebook posts go viral totally free. Also, in the end of this video, I'm going to leave you a playlist where you can watch more of my CPA marketing for beginners methods, so you can watch those videos as well. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. And for that, you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPA Lead, you can use CPA Grip or any other CPA network. But maybe best option is to actually use Offer Vault, because here on Offer Vault, you can find all of these CPA marketing networks in one place. So what you can do is you can click here on categories, and I usually choose email submit because those are the easiest one to promote. And here you can choose country, you can choose United States, but you should choose other countries because competition in those countries is not that big, it's not that strong. And here you can see all of the available CPA offers on all of these CPA marketing networks. And for example, I just say I wish to promote this offer here. All I have to do is just click here, and here I can see I can make $1 per every email submit, and here I can see affiliate CPA affiliate network, and all I have to do is just click here and I can register on this affiliate network and I can start promoting this offer. But for this purpose, I will actually use my CPA Grip account. And here I will choose United States. So let me just find United States. But like I said, you should choose other countries like France, Germany, Spain, Brazil, India, because competition in those countries is not that big, it's not that strong. And here for category, I will choose email and zip submit because like I said, those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And here, for example, I can see people are earning on average 14 cents per click, which means if they send, let's say, 1,000 people to this offer, to this CPA offer, they will earn $140 on average. So let's say I wish to promote this offer, all I have to do is just click here and I will get more information. This is how their landing page looks like. Here I can see I can earn $1.37 per every email, and this is my CPA Grip affiliate link. So what I need to do, I actually need to copy this, Control C, and I need to open my notepad, paste it here and press enter. And here I actually need to copy my CPA Grip affiliate link. And I will open my notepad again, and this is my link. And let's say I wish to promote multiply different CPA offers in this one method. So what I can do, I can simply go back here, and let's say I wish to promote this offer here, get 1,500 home sweepstake now. Click here, and I can again just copy this, Control C, go back on notepad, and I can paste that here, and again I will copy my CPA Grip affiliate link and I will paste that here. Now you can promote 5, 10, 20 offers at the same time if you wish, but for the purpose of this video I will promote just these 2 offers. So now when you have your CPA offers, now you need to make a bridge page. Now if you are CPA marketing beginner, this is really important. Many of these big companies, many of these big websites, they do not like CPA marketing, and that is why you need to make a bridge page. And you can make these bridge pages in Google Sites totally free. Now this is one of the bridge pages that I made in Google Sites. It is totally free in just 5 minutes. And that bridge page should be clean and simple, just like this one. And like I said, you can make this in just 5 minutes totally free on Google Sites. And I will not show you how to make these pages because I already showed you many times how to make bridge pages, simple bridge pages on Google Sites already. So now when you have your CPA offers and when you have your bridge page, now you need to start driving traffic to your bridge page. So like I said in the intro, now we are going to use Facebook to drive free traffic to our bridge pages. So what you need to do, you actually need to go on Facebook and you need to make a post either on your Facebook fan page or on your Facebook profile. Now for this purpose, I'm actually going to make a post on my Facebook profile. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here and then I am going to paste my article. As you can see here, this is actually linked to my Google Sites, to my bridge page on Google Sites. Now, because I didn't open my Google Sites with an image, that is why Facebook didn't automatically pull the image. Now you should do that. And here you can see I added simple description and my link. So what I need to do now, I simply need to click here on post, and that's it. I will share this post on my Facebook profile. Now what you can do is you can go and share this post on related Facebook groups, but chances are you will be marked as spammer and you will be blocked from those groups and your posts will be deleted. So you probably won't get any free traffic. But what you can do is you can go on a website called likesforlikes.org and you can register for a free account, and you can come here and hover over earn credits, and you can earn free credits by liking YouTube videos, subscribing on YouTube channels, watching YouTube videos, following people on TikTok, liking TikTok videos, saving Pinterest pins, following on Pinterest, and so on and so on. And then you can exchange those credits for Facebook shares. As you can see here, you can also share Facebook posts to earn credits. So after you earn enough credits, what you need to do, you need to click here on Manage Pages. And here you need to choose what you want. I want Facebook shares. So I can click here on Facebook shares. And now I need to add URL of my Facebook post. So I can simply go back on Facebook and I can simply click here, and this is the link to my Facebook post. I can simply copy that, go back on like for like, and I can paste it here, okay? And here I can choose how many credits I wish to give people for every share. So let's say I wish to give them 10 credits for every share. Here I can add a description, so I can again go back on my Facebook post and I can simply copy this, Ctrl C, go back on like for like and paste it here, and then click here on submit. And then when you scroll here you can choose in which countries you actually wish to show your post, which people from which country can share your post. So I can click here because I don't want people from entire world, and I can simply scroll here and I can find United States. Okay, United States, just click here United States, and now only people from United States will be able to share your Facebook post, and they will earn 10 credits for every share. Just click here on save, and that's it. You will save this, and like I said, now you can exchange credits for shares. And this is why this is CPA marketing for beginners, because as you saw, you can easily set up everything in just 10 to 15 minutes, and you can easily earn 100, 200, even 300 credits every day, totally free. And you can exchange those credits for Facebook shares, for example, Twitter shares or Pinterest shares or whatever. And you can literally get 500 shares every month, totally free on your Facebook post. And trust me, you will start getting visits to your bridge page, and people will start submitting their emails on your CPA offers, and you will start making money. Like I said, this is why this is CPA marketing for beginners method, because it is really simple, really easy, and you can set up everything in just 10 to 15 minutes, totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.